video, we will set up a Heroku Postgres database connection with xPlenty. Before you begin this task, make sure you have access to the Heroku and xPlenty platform. Creating a connection between Heroku Postgres and xPlenty is simple. You'll have two options. For option 1, we'll start by navigating to the Heroku Dev Center. In the Heroku Marketplace, under Add-ons, we'll find an xPlenty article. Visit the Integration section. You'll see here that you can directly import Heroku connections without having to create and define the connections in xPlenty. Just invoke xPlenty's import from Heroku options and select the application connections from a list of the Heroku connections. For option 2, we will navigate back to the xPlenty platform. We'll start by selecting New Connection on the top right corner of the Connections page. Under the Relational Databases column, select Heroku Postgres. We will then proceed to fill in the empty fields with the appropriate information. For the Access Type field, we will select Direct Connection. Give your connection an appropriate name. To find the next set of values, we'll need to navigate to the database console within Heroku. In the navigation bar, select the Settings tab. To view the database credentials, select View Credentials on the right side of the page. Locate the host name and copy it. Return to the xPlenty platform and paste the value in the host name field. We will then repeat that process for the database name, username, password, and make sure to verify your port value number. We will then click Test Connection to verify the values have been configured appropriately. Once successful, click Create Connection. Congratulations! You have now added a Heroku Postgres database connection to your xPlenty account. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.